Are you constantly checking the Newton app, waiting for that perfect crypto entry or exit price, and wishing you had a smarter way to track price movements? If you're like me, constantly staring at charts isn't sustainable. That's why mastering the price alerts feature in the Newton app is the best way to monitor your crypto positions without being glued to your screen. This feature is a game changer for keeping tabs on assets like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and the dozens of other cryptocurrencies Newton supports. Setting up price alerts. Using price alerts in Newton is incredibly straightforward and the most effective tracking method. This feature is currently mobile only, so you'll need the app on your phone. Method 1. Via the coin detail screen. Select your crypto, open the Newton app and navigate to the coin you want to track, like Solana, SOL. This takes you to its detail and charting screen. Access alerts, look for the bell icon in the top right corner of the screen. Tap it. Alternatively, on some versions, you might see text like NO alerts add a price alert which you can tap. Create alert. You will then see an option to add a price alert. Tap this button. Input your target. This is the most crucial step. You can set an alert based on a specific target price, a percentage increase in 24 hours, or a percentage decrease in 24 hours. For a target price, enter the exact price you want to be notified at. For instance, if Bitcoin is at $60,000, you might set an alert for $65,000 to notify you of a breakout. Confirm, hit Create Alert. You'll get an on-screen confirmation and the alert will be active. Method 2. Via Settings. Go to Settings. From the main screen, tap the Settings or Profile icon. Push Notifications. Look for the Push Notifications or Notifications option. View Price Alerts. Tap on the Push Notification settings, and you should see a section or button labeled View Price Alerts. Add New Alert. From this screen, you can see all your existing alerts and tap Add a Price Alert to start the process for any supported coin, similar to Step 4 above. Chart Increasing Leveraging Widgets for glance tracking. Another fantastic, low-effort method for price tracking is using the Newton widgets on your phone's home screen. This offers a constant, at-a-glance view of real-time prices without even opening the app. Add a widget. On your iOS or Android home screen, long press an empty space or an existing widget and select the option to add a widget. Find Newton, search or scroll to find the Newton app widgets. Choose your type. You can generally choose a single coin widget, a small tile for one specific coin. Watchlist widget, a larger tile that tracks multiple coins, up to 6, in one view. Customize. Once added, you can often press and hold the widget to customize which coins are displayed on your watch list. By combining the immediate, actionable alerts for specific price points and the passive, continuous glance tracking of the home screen widget, you'll have the best, most detailed way to stay on top of the crypto market inside the Newton app. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.